right, summer's around the corner, guys. We're gonna prepare ourselves a nice meal today. But traditionally, what we like to do with we get our grill this summer, put an onion. Even though it's just a flat onion, it's still good. It gives it a nice flavor. Preparing your grill. Right now, I have it in the lowest. You can smell it from a mile away. So if you're gonna look for a nice, beautiful grill that's gonna last you quite a while, maybe for centuries because of the metal, as long as you keep it maintenance and keep it rust free, it will last you for many years. So if you go to Lowe's right now, they're having a great sale. You could find them. You could have them transport this to your home built already. So there is an actual cost with the built, but overall, it saves you a lot of time. Now, I choose not to go with the built because I'm a man. I want to do it by myself, use my tools. I hardly use my tools, and I end up using it. But that was a big mistake because I'll tell you this: the biggest mistake was that it took me forever. It took me hours on setting this up, and then I regret it. And I said, you know what? I should have had them build it for me. So if you guys take my advice, put your ego aside, get yourself maybe built already. If you want to pick it up, you're going to need a large truck. Prefer have them ship it to you. But like I said, there might be a cost additional to that stuff. So look at your details below. But summer's coming. They always have great sales where they include sometimes the free shipping, free delivery, free builds. So keep an eye out for those things. If they pop up, be the first one to jump on it. Last minutes, I like to actually smoke it. So I'm going to close it so you guys can see it. That I'm gonna smoke it. Let me go ahead and close it up. Beautiful grill for summer, guys. It's around the corner. Lowe's is having a wonderful sale right now. You can find this and all the accessories, all the clean material. When purchasing this, make sure you purchase all the stuff that you can require. Cleaning material, especially these. These are nice pack that they sell. This is all Blackstone, but you could go other brands. But Blackstone is one of the best grills I own. And this is a 36. It comes with the cover, or you could choose without the cover. It could come with the wheels, or you could choose without the wheels. Recommendation: when you get this, have them build it. You don't put your sea eagles on side, like I said.